Friends, most creators still spend huge amounts of time scripting, editing, animating, and producing content manually. Even with AI tools, the workflow usually stays fragmented, because every step still requires separate apps and constant supervision. My name is Daniel, and today we are looking at a workflow built around Claude Code and Golpo AI. It's a system designed to automate animated content production for YouTube, online courses, and social media. In this video, we'll set everything up, generate whiteboard and editorial-style animations, and see how this workflow can scale content production far beyond traditional manual editing. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Let's jump right in. Friends, Golpo AI is an animation generation system designed to work directly with Claude Code for automated content production. Instead of manually creating scripts, visuals, narration timing, and motion design separately, the workflow combines everything into one automated pipeline. The system can generate whiteboard animations, editorial-style videos, educational explainers, and short-form social media content from structured prompts inside Claude Code. This makes the workflow especially useful for creators, educators, agencies, and businesses producing content at scale. Folks, first we need to install the required skills inside Claude Code so it can properly connect with Golpo. So we open the terminal and launch Claude directly from there, because the setup needs to happen inside the Claude Code environment. If Claude Code isn't installed yet, you can download it from Anthropic first. Mine is already installed, so now I can follow the setup instructions and install the assistant skill directly from the marketplace. Once the marketplace opens, I install the Golpo skills through Claude itself. You can choose whether to install it for a single project, a repository, or globally for your entire system. I'm installing it globally so it stays available everywhere. Mates, after installation, we reload the plugins and quickly verify the Python version. The platform requires at least Python 3.8, and my machine is already running a newer version, so we're good to go. Next, using pip3 inside the terminal, I install the required request library. Then we move into the API section, generate a Golpo API key inside the dashboard, and copy it for the next step. API access becomes available through Golpo's scale plan. Next, business plan with the API add-on, or the API-only developer tier. Once the subscription is active, the Create API Key button appears directly inside the dashboard, where you can generate and manage your keys. Now the environment is fully configured, so we can finally jump into Claude Code and create our first animation. Make sure you're specifically inside code mode, because this is where Claude can properly trigger the installed assistant skill. Friends, at this point, the prompt structure becomes extremely important. The clearer and more specific the request is, the better Claude can automate the workflow and generate the final video correctly. For the first example, I asked Claude to create a 30-second horizontal whiteboard animation explaining quantum encryption in a simple engineering style. Then I approve all required permissions, paste the API key we generated earlier, and launch the process. A few moments later, the full whiteboard animation is already rendered and saved automatically.
How do you send a truly unbreakable secret? With quantum encryption, a key is sent one photon at a time. Each photon is a qubit, existing in multiple states at once, like a spinning coin before it lands. When Alice sends these to Bob, they form a random key. But if an eavesdropper, Eve, tries to intercept a photon, the very act of observing it destroys its delicate quantum state. Alice and Bob instantly detect this disturbance and discard the compromised key. Its security guaranteed by the laws of physics.
My friends, this is where the workflow gets interesting, because complex technical topics can now become clear animated content in minutes instead of days. But horizontal videos are only one side of the system. If you want to scale content across YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or TikTok, vertical formatting becomes critical. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. So this time I completely switched the creative direction and moved into a modern editorial visual style. with cleaner layouts and more cinematic motion graphics. Before generating the video, I first asked Claude to write a short script around 100 words long about procrastination and dopamine loops inside the brain. Friends, once the script is ready, I reuse it directly inside the final generation prompt. I clearly specified that the output should use a vertical format and an editorial visual style, so Golpo understands exactly what needs to be produced. After approving permissions again, the system starts analyzing the script automatically. Claude even detects that the narration is longer than 30 seconds and intelligently adjusts the final runtime closer to 1 minute, so the pacing feels natural.
Your brain is running ancient software in a modern world. The prefrontal cortex, your planner, says finish the report, but the limbic system, your impulse engine, screams check your phone. It wants dopamine now. Here's the trick. Dopamine isn't about pleasure, it's about anticipation. Scrolling, snacking, refreshing, these deliver tiny, unpredictable hits. Your brain treats them like a slot machine. Meanwhile, hard work offers delayed, uncertain reward. To your limbic system, that's a bad bet. Procrastination isn't laziness, it's your brain choosing guaranteed micro-rewards over uncertain future payoffs. Evolution never planned for deadlines.
Mates, and this is the part that makes the entire workflow powerful. The visuals, narration structure, and motion design all get assembled automatically into a polished short-form video that looks professionally edited. Most viewers would never guess this content was generated with AI in just a few minutes. But the real advantage appears when you stop thinking about this as a single video tool and start treating it like a scalable production pipeline. Claude Code and Golpo can automate content production for online courses, educational channels, training materials, and even multiple YouTube brands simultaneously. Folks, instead of spending hours every day creating content manually, you can dedicate one focused hour at the beginning of the month, then launch the workflows and generate weeks of content ahead of time. Claude can break large topics into structured lessons, write scripts automatically, and transform them into animated educational videos without requiring a traditional production team. That makes this workflow especially useful for creators, educators, agencies, and businesses trying to scale content production without scaling manual workload. Also, I want to say that modern AI tools are no longer just helping with isolated tasks. They're starting to automate entire creative workflows, from scripting to final delivery. Guys, experiment with different styles, build repeatable systems, and use automation to scale projects that would normally require an entire team. Folks, what really stood out to me here is the difference between using AI for isolated tasks and using it to automate an actual production workflow. Claude Code and Golpo don't just help generate ideas, they can structure scripts, build animations, synchronize visuals, and assemble complete videos inside one system. And once you start seeing whiteboard animations, editorial-style shorts, and synchronized visuals being generated automatically, the workflow feels completely different. It starts feeling much closer to a scalable content pipeline than a traditional editing process. I personally find this setup very interesting, but the decision to use it or not is always yours. Friends, before you go, check the links in the description. That's where all the coupons and special offers are. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, until next time.